Ephesians 4 verse 23. And be renewed in the spirit of your mind. That's the message of the Lord for you today. That He wants you to have a peace of mind. And that God doesn't want you to live in your mindset that doesn't belong to God. But God wants you to keep on listening to Him and not to get bothered by your nonsense thoughts. And that's the message of the Lord for you today. Keep on reading the words of God. Keep on thinking on His words. And be joyful as always. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all.